অনেক ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। তার মানে এটা যে আমরা এখন কথা বলবো, নীরবতা চলবে। প্রথমে আমরা যে গানটি দিয়ে শুরু করবো সেটা হচ্ছে আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাঙানো 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি, এবং সেই গানটি আমাদের সঙ্গে সবাই কণ্ঠ মেলাতে পারেন। যারা তোমরা এখনো, those who don't know what I'm talking about yet, 21st February is celebrated as the International Mother Language Day worldwide, because you know that on this day the Pakistani people wanted us to speak in Urdu. Urdu was supposed to be the national language, but we said no, Bengali is going to be our national language, our governmental language. That's what, hey guys, listen to this. That's why they came and shot us. Four of the people died, but there were many other people. So this is a day that we celebrate, not really celebrate, but we just, how to say, celebrate as one of our saddest day of the history. So let's go ahead and sing the most prominent song in Bengali, Amar Bhai Rokte Rangano 21 February, which means the 21st February is red with the bloodshed of my brother.
দাম কি টাকা ছিল